We took a weekend trip to Palm Springs, where we stayed in a vacation rental apartment and went on some hikes. We were invited to stay at the Getaway, an apartment hotel in Desert Hot Springs. The mid-century style complex has 5 units that surround a beautiful courtyard with a pool and hot tub. Rooms can be booked at dhsgetaway.com. We spent the majority of our time in the pool. Go! As evening approached, we moved over to the hot tub. From the courtyard, we had spectacular views of the mountains and valley. The hotel is near Palm Springs, so we headed there to Indian Canyons to go on some hikes. We went on the Andreas Canyon Trail. It goes along a rock wall with unique formations. And follows a stream that we could walk down to throughout the trail. Halfway through the trail, the canyon is fenced off. The trail then crosses the stream and loops back on the other side. It took us higher above the canyon where we could see the valley below. Then we drove over to the Palm Canyon Trail. It starts off with a moderate path down into the canyon. There are groves of palm trees all along the trail and creek. There are small huts we could walk inside. We followed small streams of water to underground springs. Being close to Palm Springs, our stay offered a great balance of relaxation and adventure. Back at the Getaway Hotel, we settled into the mid-century furniture and decor of the living room, which was comfortable for family gatherings. All the units come with a full-size kitchen and dining table, which made it convenient to cook and eat together. There are 2 bedroom, 1 bedroom, and studio units. And the entire complex can also be bought out to accommodate a large group. And it's dog-friendly. You can book your vacation at dhsgetaway.com.